If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. SmartLookup in Word for Microsoft 365 is an internal search tool that connects to Microsoft's Bing online search engine. This lets you access the World Wide Web without leaving Word. One way to open the search pane that shows the SmartLookup results is by typing a search term into the Microsoft search bar and then choosing the More Search Results for Search Term command from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, select a word or phrase from text in the Word document, and then either click the Search button that appears in the Research button group on the References tab of the ribbon, or right-click the selection and then choose the Search Selected Text command from the pop-up menu that appears, where selected text is the text you selected in the document. Performing either task then opens the search pane at the right side of the screen. The search pane shows the search term in a field at the top of it. It then shows web search results below it. To instead show files for the search term, click the Files button below the field. To instead show search results from looking for the term within the current document, click the This File button below the field. To instead show media results for the search term, click the Media button below the field. To return to the web results after searching for files, document results, or media, click the left-pointing back arrow that appears to the left of the search term in the large white field at the top of the pane. To close the search pane when you are finished using it, click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.